Check this out. It's not every day you get something this big delivered. Inside this massive box is a very small Jeep replica worth just $3,000. Today, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna compare it to a real 1941 Willys Jeep. We've got some off-road testing.
Honestly, this looks like a terrible idea.
And a bit of fun.
Oh, we're cruising.
Welcome to Unboxed. Let's see what's inside. We're gonna have to get this box out and see what's in it. Oh, I'm gonna need help. Let's get cracking. Here it comes. There it is. Wow. Look at this thing. Abracadabra, rubbish away. Here it is. Let's see what you get for $3,000. That's all it costs for this thing. This thing looks great. Look at this, you've got metal grille at the front, just like on the real Jeep. Round lights, you've got this front bar with the rope. Looks great. Big knobbly tires. I think they're a bit different shape to the real Jeep, but I think this is meant for performance, so that's why they're on there. On the front bonnet, you've got this star with US Army. You've got this little screen that pops down at the front. Mirrors, the side here, just like the real Jeep. No doors, so easy to get in. Comfortable too. You've got seat belts here. In the front here, all the gauges are working. You've got heaps of switch, on switch, your light switches. It's a 3-speed, which is cool. Right, coming around to the side, got a little flag here. We've got jerry can to wheel. I'm so impressed with this thing, $3,000. But the cool thing is under here, in my opinion. This thing has a 125cc 4-stroke engine, which lets you go 60 k's an hour, which is crazy. But you can also register this thing. It's road legal in some countries. Can you imagine driving around in this thing? I mean, that's so cool. I can't wait to test this out. But first, just like this mini Jeep, sometimes the smallest things in life can bring the most happiness. That's why it really matters to look after the little things. Let's get serious for a moment. Sometimes life can get messy. 1 minute you're doing fine mentally and then the next you're struggling. It's like driving out of the sunshine and into a snowstorm. That's why this video is in paid partnership with BetterHelp. Whether you're dealing with stress or anxiety or just need somebody to talk to, BetterHelp makes it easy to get the support you need anywhere, anytime. You can chat with a therapist via video, phone, or even text. It's the world's largest online therapy platform. No waiting rooms, no long drives, just real licensed therapists ready to help you. Mental health is the key to living your best life, so why not give BetterHelp a try? Join the 5 million people in over 100 countries already benefiting from their great services, and take the first step to feeling better today. Visit betterhelp.com/supercarblondie today to get started. The link is in the description. We need to compare it to the real Jeep, which we're bringing in now. Sergi's on the way.
All right, I'm in the OG. What's up?
What have you bought me?
This is the real one.
Yeah.
This car was built 50 years before I was even born.
This might be the first time that yours is bigger. The real thing.
That's right, this is the OG.
Damn.
Yeah, I think this is the oldest vehicle I've ever driven. It's 1941.
Fun fact for you guys, this was the first ever vehicle to be called a Jeep. It was originally produced for the US military during World War II as a rugged 4x4 vehicle, and its legendary durability and off-road capabilities laid down the foundation for the entire Jeep brand we know today.
First thing I'm seeing, the grills. Yours is horizontal.
Yeah.
Mine, I think, is the OG Willys. And actually, the way that you can know that is by basically the grill having 9 of these kind of intakes like that, right? That's how you know it's Willys or GPW.
The tires on this are so thin, the old tires, the old original tires.
I think the tires are literally thicker on this one.
I'm assuming that's probably because these tires are probably harder to make this thin, but these wider tires, this thing's actually meant to be driven around a lot. It's an adult's toy.
But this was also supposed to be driven around, right? In war zones.
Well, actually, they were designed to last 48 hours because that's all they were going to last in the war.
Also, you have like the actual same kind of gear shifter.
Yeah, 3-speed as well. This one's a 3-speed as well, a 2.225.
It's very old.
Yeah.
I think it's very...
These days we get like so much luxury. We don't have to deal with clutches. It's all automatic.
If you lift this up, so this...
Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah, that is heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, there you go. In
Clip
case
that
it's
in.
like, I mean, Yeah.
And everything, not a lot of automated stuff. This is all hand operated.
Yeah, manual.
Imagine driving along in a storm and having to...
Yeah, but this has like a shovel, it has an axe.
I think they call that your pioneer kit.
Yeah.
You got to cut some wood or whatever, like you're in the war, you got to clear a path.
Or cut some, you know, people
up, yeah.
Okay, I want to take a look at the back real quick, so I'm going to jump in.
Yep.
Because basically, you know, at the back you have like a bit of a bench, and it's pretty tiny. I mean, I know that, you know, people back in the day were also a little bit tinier, but, you know, you can fit maybe 2 people. And what you have is you have these little bits right here, which, you know, you can either put your foot there as a footrest, or if you're going through like some kind of off-roading turn, you can kind of slide your foot in there to get a bit of a grip on things. But what I'm kind of thinking is, okay, if right now we were on the field and we were getting shot at, I don't feel that protected, you know, like they could have put some walls up in here, you know, like the amount of seating space is reduced so much by the wheel arches, like.
There wasn't a lot of thought for comfort.
So let's go to this one. I think that the back looks a lot more similar because the front grille is the first thing you look at. It also has no doors on the side. It's kind of the same vibe, but this, even though it's retro, it looks very modern, like very shiny, very new.
Bit of a different setup here because this is only a miniature one.
Yeah.
You don't have the back area. You've got this backrest here instead. But,
yeah. And look at the little telephone. You have a little phone right there in the middle. That's cool. It has a speedometer. It's got like a freaking compass. It's got fog lights, you know, high beams. And it's got the same kind of gear selector. You know,
it's still a 3-speed, so they've like kept it authentic like that.
Yeah.
How's the space in there?
Yeah, I mean.
You reckon we can both fit?
Yeah, surely. I mean, a little bit snug, but.
It's a little bit tight.
I'm going to show you quickly, you know, this one over here gets a little bit different.
Oh, it's definitely different. Just wait till you see how we started up, the old-fashioned way.
By the way, that's the owner right there.
George.
What do you think of something like that, the tinier one? Would you want to drive that? No, not for you? Okay, I get that. You know, everyone does their own kind of thing. It's got a hidden hand crank. Oh, I think we need more muscle than that. I think we might need Nathan. Nathan, you just got shot in the knee. Okay, there you go. He turned it on, but he got shot in the knee. Okay.
Pull it straight back.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Okay, look, hey, you know. Wow. Okay.
While we would have loved to push this 1941 gem to its limits, we don't really want to compromise a piece of history. Thanks for letting us drive it, George.
Right, before we get to the testing, check out sbxcars.com, our new online car auction platform. If you like rare cars, supercars, classic cars, whatever, check out sbxcars.com. Link is in the description below. Okay, let's go. Simple as that.
Here we go. It's time to begin our tests. First off, we're doing a bit of a test drive.
I want to ride.
You hopping in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, that is tight. Well, it's like a seatbelt. We're definitely not going to fly out of here.
Okay, ready?
Oh, man. I don't know about this. We're going to flip.
Let's see how quick it goes. Ready?
Oh, no. No, do not turn. We're going to flip. He keeps turning this way because it's my side.
I don't think you trust me.
I'm good.
The first test is all about handling. We're laying out some cones to try and see how this tiny Jeep will handle all these extremely tight turns.
Serge, you ready?
No, but okay. Clear. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're cruising. Easy peasy. Although the turn radius isn't great, I'm gonna say that. Oh, hey, look at the mound of mud. Oh.
Successful first test for our little Jeep. It handled that slalom like a big boy.
Cruising in my Chinese Jeep. Honestly, this looks like a terrible idea. This is the backyard Olympics. This makes no sense. There's like some random wood that we found.
Our next test is a slightly dodgy one, as we attempt to drive the mini Jeep over a DIY wooden ramp, all in true British countryside style.
Oh my God. I think this is kind of wide. This is first gear. I'm on first gear. Oh my God. Oh, I'm completely hanging off. Ah! Oh, come on. I made all that progress.
Don't give up, Sergi. You're so close.
I'm like totally crooked. Famous last words. I'm not liking those thorns. Oh my God. Look at those sticks just pointing right up, you know, just waiting for you to fall on them. Pass.
Sergi's face might not show it, but our mini replica made it through the ramp smoothly. And for the next test, we're seeing how it handles driving on an incline.
Okay, next we're going to test how it handles an incline.
That's what I'm doing?
Ready, Serge?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, well, I'm gonna hold on. Oh! Honestly, I love the gears on this, on the little mini Jeep because it just feels like, you know, very mechanical.
That was a kind of pass. But time for our final test, and I'm joining Sergi for this one.
Okay, so the last test, we have to both get up this muddy hill back to get out of this place.
Yeah, and it's actually a little bit steeper than it looks.
And it's pretty bumpy and pretty soft, so...
Yeah, and the sand is like deep, you know?
I'm dubious. As much about his driving as this thing. Okay, let's do it. Punch it. Nah.
No. Back to first gear.
We're good at
Okay, this is okay.
It's handling this muddy uphill drive really well. Very impressive.
All right.
That's it. That's the video for today. What do you guys think? $3,000. I think I might get one when I retire. This thing's great.
Yeah, huge thanks to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you next time.
We're gonna drive off into the sun. Oh yeah.